What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Today we got Kiwi joining us. We got King of Rears, still on PC. And we got Wind. Okay.
This time talking.
Yeah, this time speaking. But yeah, as you can see, we are playing Night Shift 3, which basically is like FNAF 3, but obviously not. So we are going to be playing that. Moist is going to be guard.
Woo.
Credit to Scott Cawthon for the original game. And yeah, let's get into it. Go select your night.
Night 2.
Oh yeah, this is happening.
Select your poison.
Hey man, okay, I have some awesome news for you. First of all, we found some vintage audio training cassettes. Dude, these are like prehistoric. I think they were like training tapes.
That was weird.
For, like, other employees
Oh yeah.
or something like that. So I thought we could like have them playing like
Yeah, I'm
over
just
the
there.
speakers as people walk through the attraction. Dude, that makes this feel legit, man. But I have an even better surprise for you. You're not gonna believe this. We found one.
Oh god. Oh, not him.
Gotta go. Well, look, it's in there somewhere. I'm sure you'll see it. Okay, I'll leave you with some of this great audio that I found. Talk to you later, man. Hello?
That's pretty silly.
Entertainer for French Fazbear's Pizza. These tapes will provide you with much needed information on how to handle /
Can Moose see us right now?
No.
/ out of mascot costumes.
Nope.
Right now we have 2 specially designed costumes that double as both
Yeah, no, he can't see us or hear us.
Please pay close attention
Oh, Foxy's right there.
as accidents / injuries / death / irreparable.
I don't want to die. Yeah. Still there. You still there? Oh god.
Yo, what's up?
Why ventilation? They always attack a ventilation.
Kiwi, come here. Mine didn't go yet. He's still sitting.
Fuck, I can think, but oh well.
He's right here. Mine's still sitting.
There's a pile of... Here's the marionettes.
Yeah.
Turning the crank will recoil and compress the animatronic parts around the sides of the system, providing room
Oh,
for
darn it.
Oh yeah, there he is.
What the... Get off of me.
What is
Get
anyone
off my face.
Springtrap?
More detail in tomorrow's session. Remember to smile. You are the face of French Fazbear's Pizza.
Definitely that's a no.
Camera system.
I gotta go back to my area. Shoot, I went the wrong way. That's my fault.
Hi.
Oh my god. That's Sonic. Yeah.
Yo, what's up? Be patient, I'm gonna get ya.
Okay, there's mine. Mine's gonna attack.
Hello.
There's a vent there. You know that? There's a, something called... What the... Oh, what the...
Sugar fruits.
Why now? Why now? What'd I even stare at? Huh?
Talk about low-budget establishment.
What the
No
hell?
food or movies. I'm out of here.
How the heck did you...
Hi.
How? Huh?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
That's a
Okay,
cool
that-
outfit. Did your mother make it to you?
What? Oh God, how'd you?
Gotcha, ass.
How he?
uh...
That's what I call the supersonic special.
My God, I thought I had it locked in. All of a sudden, he teleports to my door. I'm like, what?
Alright,
Well,
Kiwi,
someone's worried
you're
about
the guard
something.
now.
No shiitake mushrooms.
Pick your night.
Shiitake mushroom. I'll play Springtrap right now.
Why can't Sonic
I
use
was the
Springtrap
puppet.
again?
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a
So I gotta
lot more
wait
interesting this time.
until 3 a.m.
Found some great new relics over the weekend.
I gotta wait till 3 a.m. I can't do anything.
So, let me just update you real quick.
This is a pretty silly moment we have here.
Like the attraction opens,
Hello.
like
I could literally just walk in the vents.
works, and nothing catches on fire.
Who's that?
When the place opens, people will come in at the
Sup?
opposite end of the building and work their way toward you and past you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially
Hi.
become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as the
Security guard.
So not only will you be monitoring the people on the
Yo, what's
cameras
up?
that pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything.
Can he see
or
us?
fakes out in
No.
the corner, but you'll also be a part of
This
the
is what you guys were doing while I was okay.
Yeah.
Now let me tell you about
Mainly, I did this.
Hello.
Oh, I didn't even see.
Exactly.
I'm about to tickle you. You better be ready.
Already? What? What night did he pick?
Hi.
1.
Night one. I'm just.
Then how are you so? Oh my God.
Boo! Oh yeah!
I do not know how to play the game.
That's what she said.
Masterful
Guess
blazer.
what that means. Guess what that means.
Wins guard.
What?
I'm the last one.
Of course.
Okay then. Microwave. I like microwaves.
Pick your
You guys
night.
like microwaves?
Relax, I'm gonna do night one. Hope you guys don't mind.
FNAF 3. Fun time. Wah.
Hey, glad you came back for another
Wait,
night.
who's Springtrap? Oh, shoot.
Relics over the weekend. We're out tracking down a tweet right now.
He's Springtrap. Oh, shoot.
Tweet. I
Oh, we got a cheeky little someone.
I can smell you.
And nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then past you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially
I can
become
barely
part of the
see
attraction.
you.
You'll be starring as the security guard. So not only will you be monitoring the people on the cameras that pass through, you know, to make sure no one steals anything or fakes out in the corner, but you'll also be a part of the show. It'll make it feel really authentic, I think. Now let me tell you about what's new. We found another set of drawings.
Event this time, huh?
And a foxy head, which we think could be authentic.
Wise,
Then
very
again, it might be
wise.
another crappy cosplay. And we found a desk
Kiwi.
fan, very old school, metal though.
Yeah.
Watch the fingers. Right now the
Yeah.
place is basically,
Ah.
you know, flashing lights,
Hi.
props.
Yeah, got him.
Hey. Alright, my turn.
Yeah, I should have known.
And Kiwi gets to
It
be
happens, it
Springtrap.
You gotta be Springtrap. Crap.
I mean, he's the
It's
bunny over
okay.
here.
Yeah.
Hey, it fits.
Hi.
Hey, glad you came back for another night. I promise it'll be a lot more interesting this time. found some great new relics over the weekend, and we're out tracking down a new lead right now. So, let me just update you real quick, then you can get to
I know you guys are next to me, but I can't see you right now.
So we have to make sure everything works and nothing catches on fire. When the place opens, people will come in at the opposite end of the building and work their way toward you, then pass you and out the exit. Yeah, you've officially become part of the attraction. You'll be starring as the security guard. So not only will you be monitored.
Hi.
Stay there, please. Stay there.
Hi.
No. Which vent? Okay, seal. Cool.
Hello.
Audio error. Hey, Kiwi.
Hi, Dan. How are you?
Good.
Don't kill me.
I can't kill you. Don't kill me.
Hello.
Oh,
Please.
I know the game.
Please.
I know.
I played this before and I completed it. Fudge nuggets. Yeah, I'm fixing the vents. So I'm not hallucinating.
Hi.
I already sealed that vent, so I can't seal it again.
Well. This is why I don't want to play a Springtrap. I don't know what to do.
Hello.
Go investigate the child, please.
What child? There's no child here.
That child! Hear the child? Go investigate.
You know I have to go in one place.
Yeah. I already sealed that vent. There you go. Jesus. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Kiwi, let me recover first so I'm not hallucinating.
Hi.
Puppet. Okay. Fudge. Video error.
Hello.
There, go investigate the child, please. Go investigate the child. Springtrap, go investigate the child.
Hi.
Sealed the vent. Go investigate the child, Springtrap. Fucking Foxy. Okay, let me fix ventilation, please, Kiwi. Because I don't want to be seeing things. Okay. Bruh! Almost survived!
And,
And one more hour. Gosh, dang it.
I was Foxy.
Yeah, I could tell that.
I timed it to when every time an error happened, I just...
Well, that was only
That's pretty
twice.
wise.
Yeah! Hit you twice, you know?
Bruh.
It worked.
I guess the night nevertheless did this long.
But yeah.
He kept
Oh,
me
yeah.
locked in one spot.
I did your tactic.
That's what that.
I mean, I guess that's
Yeah.
that's.
But you
that's
can't
what you're
say it,
supposed
or
to
else we'll
do.
get copyrighted.
Well,
That's
this
why I said
ain't
locked.
the actual game, so.
Yes, but it's a reference from the actual YouTuber. So
Yeah. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys
Oh,
for
yeah.
joining me. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Next time, Mario's gonna show everyone a show.